Hello, my name is Oasis and I own a transaction coordination company called AIDE. My channel is a culmination of things that I've learned in the industry, and today I want to talk about insurance in California, since there's been so many problems with getting insurance in high fire areas or even insurance rates increasing in our state. It is really important to understand the types of precautions you need to take in a transaction to prevent any issues with insurance. To start, a lot of insurance brokers that I've heard speak are now recommending that agents have their clients get insurance, or at least check insurance rates, very, very early in the searching process, so that they understand how much they're going to need to allocate to their budget to pay for the home insurance. So if you're shopping in a high fire area or even a moderate fire area, with some of the changes coming up, it's going to be really important that your clients do that very, very early in the process. If they are able to afford what they think will be the rate, once they get in a contract, they can go back to whichever insurance provider they've selected and make sure that that rate on that house is still something that they can afford. One thing to keep in mind is that checking things like whether or not your buyer qualifies for insurance is actually going to be a part of your investigation contingency. This is going to be the part where you're doing that research to make sure that your buyer can qualify based on their debt to income ratio and other things that they have to consider. After they've found an insurance company that they want to use and they're moving forward in the transaction, it's also been advised that your buyer then checks that insurance again. There's so many companies exiting the insurance market in California right now that a lot of times what insurance brokers are seeing is that they find a policy for the buyer, but maybe that company stops writing policies in California during the escrow period. So they're advising that you do a couple checks throughout escrow to make sure that insurance company is going to stick around and they're still going to accept or write that policy for your clients. Another thing that you can help your clients with in regards to insurance is helping even your past clients to understand the reason why insurance companies are raising those rates and kind of having that open discussion. It's definitely a touch point to help you stay in front of your clients and help to educate them so that they can avoid some costly mistakes, or they can avoid some of those rate increases altogether. On my website, I've posted a blog that goes a little more in depth on some of the things to look out for when you are dealing with insurance companies and how to keep some of those rates down. All right, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like this type of information, if you're thinking about being a transaction coordinator or you're a real estate agent and you just like to stay knowledgeable on all the things happening in the industry or specifically changes within disclosure laws in California, please like and subscribe to my channel. All right, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.